So now let us see list and images in HTML. So in this we will see how we can create the list and we can insert the images in HTML. So the use of list and images enhances the layout and the readability of the web page. It also makes the web page look more attractive and organized. So here list can be of two types, bulleted and numbered list. The bulleted list is called the unordered list and the number list is called the ordered list. So in this unordered and ordered list, now we will see the list item. So list item represents the list in ordered and unordered list. So here we will see the example of ordered list and unordered list. So now let us see the example. So here OL tag is used for the ordered list and LI tag for the list item. And after that closing the OL tag. Now here you have to save your HTML document with the extension .html and you have to open in a web browser. So here you can see the numbered list. Now one attribute is used, that is the type attribute, to select the type of the ordered list. So here type A is used. After every time you edit your HTML document, you have to save your document. Now here you can see the alphabetical order of the list. Now let us see the UL tag. So now let us see the UL tag. Just changing the UL and the list item will be remaining the same. And just save your document and here you can see the unordered list. So now again in this UL tag, type attribute is used to display the unordered list in different types. So first one is the disk. So here you can see the filled circle, a solid round bullet for the disk attribute. And now the circle value, a hollow bullet. And then the square value for type attribute for a square bullet. So in this way you can create ordered and unordered list. Now let us see the image tag. To insert the image in your web page, image tag is used. The img is the standalone tag and the img is not having the closing, so it is the standalone, that means the empty tag. So many different attributes are used with the IMG. So now let us see the attribute. src is the source to specify the location of the file. Align attribute to align the images to the right or left. Alt attribute is used to display a brief message when the image is pointed to. Width defines the width of the image in pixels. Height defines the height of the image in pixels. H space sets the horizontal space between the image, and V space sets the vertical space between the image. So now let us see the example how we can insert the image in the web page. So now here in SRC I am using, here in SRC my image is stored in the C drive, users folder, welcome, pictures, saved pictures folder, and then the name of the image windows.jpg. .jpg is the extension of the image. So you have to give the location where the image is stored. Complete location means the address. Here in my case the location is the C drive, again the users folder, again in that the welcome folder, again in the that pictures folder, and again in that saved pictures folder, and in that windows.jpg is the. So now let us open the image in the web page. Now here you can see the image is displayed on the web page. So like this you can insert the image in your web page using the img tag. Now let us see the use of V space attribute and the H space attribute. So here you can see the space is created.